Hello, this is a game I made with Unity. Unity is a game engine, and a game engine is basically an app that people use to make games. The programming language that I used to make this game is called C#, and yeah, this game is a first-person shooter, so I can move around, I can jump, I can look around, I can shoot things, and there are particle effects. And you can see that when I shoot the floors or walls, there's a particle effect as if like things are bouncing off that wall when I hit it, or breaking off the wall. I can shoot these cubes, and these cubes have physics, so when I shoot them, they will bump back a tiny bit, and when I hit them 3 times, they will disappear. So they can jump a tiny bit, and then I can also aim and shoot. This game still has a lot of work to be done to it, like adding enemy guys that will attack back at you, or just adding levels with rooms and stuff like that. But besides that, I think this is a really good start to a game, and thank you for watching.